Hey everyone, in this video we have another SAT math problem, this one dealing with mean score of players in a basketball game. So right off the bat, we know we have a mean score of 8 players in a basketball game, and that comes out to be 14.5. So what do we know? Well, we know that these players' score have to total to 8 times 14.5. And why is that the case? Well, if we think about it, how do we find the mean? We just take, for the mean of score, we would take the total score, which I'll represent with n, and divide it by the number of players, in this case 8, and that should give us our mean score of 14.5. And now if we multiply 8 to this side, we can very simply solve for n, the total number of points scored by those 8 players. So how many points did they score? Well, they scored 14.5 times 8, which is 116. And now what else do we know? Well, if we remove the highest individual score, the remaining have a score of 12. So we know that if we average the total score minus the highest player score, so if we take the highest or the total score and subtract the highest player score, and we average that out, because this is the score of the remaining 7 players, not including the highest score, when x represents the score of the highest player, and we divide this by 7 for the total number of players, this should give us our new average of 12. Now this is very simple. We can simply solve for x. So we have 116 minus x equals 84. Now, if I solve for x, I can add x to one side and then subtract the 84, and I get x equals 116 minus 84, which is 32. And that is our final answer, and that comes out to be option C. Hopefully this helps. This is a fun problem. Always enjoy these kinds of problems, and I'll see you in the next one.